flowing. I don't know if you might have a little trouble getting in the boat. Gonna get wet. Here we go. There he goes. He's aboard. And he's taking it off. Look at that. It's just going perfectly out. He's such a good captain. He goes. There he goes. Let's see. Can we go telescope? No. Okay. Going off. Everything's good. Yep. So far, so good. Wow, it looks so good. I better back up. He's sending towards me. This looks great. Awesome. Look at that. Awesome. Picture perfect. Picture perfect. On the first maiden voyage. Congratulations. Wow.
That's pretty fun.
Yeah.